Imagine creating a complete product advertisement without hiring a designer, learning editing software, or spending hours building marketing concepts. What if AI could take a simple idea and instantly turn it into a professional-looking ad? In this video, we're going to test OiiOii and see how its product ads feature can help generate marketing content in just a few clicks. Getting started. After logging into OiiOii, you'll find different AI tools inside the skills section. These tools are organized into categories based on different use cases. Since our goal is to create advertisements, we'll open the marketing category and choose product ads. The process is very straightforward. You simply provide product information, describe the style you want, and let the AI handle the creative work. Create a premium advertising campaign for a modern luxury wristwatch. Highlight elegant craftsmanship, water resistance, long-lasting durability, and sophisticated style. Let's generate the ad and see the results. What's impressive is how quickly the entire concept comes together. Instead of manually designing layouts, writing copy, and planning visuals, OiiOii generates everything from a single prompt. The output looks surprisingly professional. The visuals feel consistent with a luxury brand, the presentation looks polished, and the marketing message matches the product perfectly. Second example. Now let's try a completely different type of product to see how flexible the tool is. This time, we'll create an advertisement for a portable fitness water bottle. Create an energetic product advertisement for a smart fitness water bottle. Emphasize hydration tracking, leak-proof design, lightweight portability, and active lifestyle benefits. Use vibrant visuals targeting gym enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. Let's generate this version as well. Comparing both ads, the difference between the two advertisements is immediately noticeable. The wristwatch campaign focuses on elegance, luxury, and premium branding. The fitness bottle advertisement feels more energetic and action-oriented, with messaging focused on health, movement, and daily performance. This shows how OiiOii can adapt its advertising style based on the product and audience you describe. How it works. Using this feature is simple. After testing multiple products, I can see why this feature would be valuable for businesses, marketers, online stores, and content creators. It saves time, it speeds up the creative process, and it makes professional advertising accessible even for people with no design experience. If you'd like to try AI-powered product advertising for yourself, check out OiiOii using the link in the description. Experiment with different products, test creative ideas, and see how quickly AI can transform simple concepts into eye-catching advertisements. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.